Imagine waking up one morning and your dream finance job is no longer out of reach. Imagine having the ability to predict market shifts, build models that actually make sense, and use AI tools that give you a competitive edge before your peers even catch on. What if I told you? The difference between staying stuck and skyrocketing your finance career may not be talent or even education, but how well you adapt to technology, how fast you learn new tools, and how deeply you understand the rules of modern financial modeling. Welcome to Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint to mastery wealth, business, and self-development. This video is not just about finance, it's about you, your potential, your evolution, your future. We are living in a time of unprecedented disruption. The finance world, once dominated by spreadsheets, long reports, and legacy models, is undergoing a revolution. AI is here, automation is here, fintech is here. And with them comes a whole new language, one that speaks in code, data, and lightning-fast predictions. The question isn't whether finance will change. The question is, will you change with it? Let's be real. If you're still relying only on manual Excel work and basic models, you're competing with machines that never sleep, and analysts who've already embraced the future. But here's the exciting part. You can level up, fast. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to take the boring parts of your job. So you can focus on strategic thinking, creativity, and insight. And that's where your real value begins. So, what are these magical AI tools everyone keeps talking about? Let's break it down. 1. ChatGPT and generative AI models. Want to build a financial model? Ask ChatGPT to help structure your assumptions. Writing a client memo or a stock analysis? Ask it to draft a professional first draft, saving hours of mental fatigue. The key isn't whether AI can do your job, it's how you guide it to support your thinking too. Microsoft Excel plus Copilot Excel Copilot is now the secret weapon of top analysts. Ask it to clean your data, analyze trends, or even suggest pivot table formats. No more endless formatting and trial and error. 3. Tableau Power BI plus AutoML data visualization is no longer a nice-to-have. It's essential for storytelling with numbers. With drag-and-drop AI features, you can now forecast trends with a click. 4. Financial modeling software with AI assist, like DataRails, Cube, or Finmark. These platforms integrate live data, suggest assumptions, and flag inconsistencies in your forecast. They don't just make you faster, they make you smarter. You don't need to be a coder, you just need curiosity, courage, and a few hours a week to explore. That's all it takes to build momentum. Now let's talk about financial modeling. If finance is the brain of a business, then financial modeling is the language it speaks. A good model doesn't just calculate, it tells a story. It shows what might happen if interest rates rise, what could go wrong if costs increase, what could go right if you expand to a new market. And here's the emotional truth. A powerful model builds trust. It makes you someone executives listen to. It positions you as the go-to person who helps others see clearly in the fog of uncertainty. So, how do you build better models? Step 1. Start with real-world questions, not templates. Always ask, what decision is this model guiding? Step 2. Keep it dynamic. Use AI or modern tools to automate updates, link assumptions, and avoid errors. Step 3. Visualize the output. A chart often says what 200 rows cannot. Remember, financial modeling is not about being perfect. It's about being thoughtful, structured, and insight-driven. Why do some people seem to learn tools faster, get promoted quicker, and stay ahead, while others plateau? It's not just IQ, it's not luck. It's how they train their brain and master attention. Here are 3 neuroscience-backed strategies to level up faster. 1. Use the emotion plus novelty rule. Our brains remember stories better than formulas, so instead of reading a dry PDF, watch real case studies, find exciting use cases of AI in finance, and apply them instantly. Emotion and novelty drive memory. 2. Leverage spaced repetition, don't cram. Schedule small, repeatable learning blocks daily. 10 minutes of focused learning daily beats 3 hours of weekend burnout. 3. Teach what you learn. The fastest way to retain knowledge is to teach it to others. Start a blog, post on LinkedIn, or even help a peer. Teaching turns passive knowledge into confident action. Now let's get real about career growth. Titles don't define you, skills do. You don't need an MBA to become a leader in finance. You need courage, consistency, and the right tech stack. Here's a 3-part framework for growth. 1. Build your personal financial stack. Combine tools like Excel Copilot, ChatGPT, Power BI, and Notion to build your personal workflow. Treat your career like a startup. Automate what drains you, amplify what energizes you. 2. Master strategic communication. AI can give you data, but only you can give it context. Learn how to write well, speak with clarity, and present data with a narrative. That's how you stand out. 3. Network around curiosity, not status. Reach out to others who are experimenting with AI in finance. Ask questions, share progress, stay humble. You're not late to the game, you're right on time. Here's the truth no one tells you. The finance world doesn't need more robots. It needs humans. People who understand numbers and emotions. People who think critically, adapt quickly, and speak the language of the future. That's you, or at least, it can be. Don't wait to be chosen. Don't wait to be promoted. Start mastering the tools. Build your own models. Create opportunities where none seem to exist. Because you are not just a finance professional. You're a problem solver, a strategist, a leader in training. The tools are here, the world is changing, and your moment, it starts right now. Congratulations for watching this far. Subscribe if you're ready to transform your career. Comment below. Which AI tool or finance skill are you learning next? This is Elite Growth Maps. You've got this.